how to use Cookiebot. Basically just a tutorial and a short one to pretty much just show what it can be used for and how to. So if you want to get started, you can go ahead and search for Cookiebot, and you have the option to either scan a website, check if your website is privacy compliant, or you can start for free. It's a 40-day free trial if you'd like, and you can cancel anytime. So you can go ahead and create a Cookiebot CMP account, and then you can add your website domain and set up the cookie banner and install a Cookiebot script on your website. So once you pretty much create an account first, again, it's done here, press on start free, or you can press your login and then create an account. First, you're going to put in your profile information. Are you signing up for yourself or on behalf of a client? You can choose what industry you operate in, how many people work at your company, and how many domains does your company manage. And also, you're going to select what kind of work you do, what is your role on the company, and you press on next. What are you looking to achieve? You can go ahead and just select an answer if you like, and how. Those are optional, so you don't really need to do that. So first of all, you'll enter this little section where you could get started. If you like, you can do your banner and then the other steps. But as for now, we're going to go ahead and set up everything else later. We just want to go ahead into our dashboard. So here we can go ahead into our domains and aliases. And then we can, again, we could customize your banner if you like, since we could do it later on. But you can then add your domain. So add your domain here. You can have a scan frequency. Daily is more pricey other than monthly, which is technically free, I suppose. So put in your domain name here and just press on add domain. So in your domain, you can do for alias for testing, add domain alias, Google content mode check. You have other things here like the user consent logging. You can download that if you'd like. But for beginners, the main idea is that Cookiebot just scans your site, shows a consent banner, which you can configure over here, and it stores the visitor's choice, helps control cookies, scripts, depending on what they accept or reject. And if the banner does not show, check that your domain is correct. Of course, the script or GTM container is published and the tag fires on all pages. And you are testing in a fresh browser section. But it's pretty much going to be all done here in your dashboard, not really dashboard, but in this section. So if you'd like, you can always go ahead and explore. Each tool will have its dedicated step-by-step instruction on how to use them one by one, especially here in quick access and whatnot. So hopefully this video can help you. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.